Developer community co-owner Sir Juan here, bringing you guys a tutorial on how to make police skins for your cars on Mac. So let's get started. So what you're gonna want to have ready before we begin is having your template. So I have this template right here on which we can draw on using the program of your choice. For this video, I will be using Fire Alpaca. Alright, so what we're going to want to do here is put the template onto your drawing software of choice, mine being Fire Alpaca. So we're just going to go ahead and drop that in there. And now we have this loaded up. So what I like to do first is lock this layer so that we can't draw on it. And then we're going to make a new layer where we will start doing all the work. Now here is the part where you can customize this however you want it to look like adding text, adding different images on top of it, etc. I will just be making a simple texture for the purpose of this tutorial. So what we are going to do first, we are going to change the color. So one way that we can change individual part colors is that we're gonna just, with the brush tool, I like to just go right on the edges like this. Right, if we want to do this door, we're gonna go right on the edge of this. Try to paint right on that line, just like that. And then just draw along that, paint that in. But mine is going to be all white, so we are not going to need that. But if you would like to, yes, you can paint individual doors, individual body parts, etc. So for this one, we're going to grab the text. I'm just going to write police just for this example. Here, so you can change the text color. I'm just gonna make it in black. I'm gonna make this text bigger. Alright, and what you want to do is line it up with a line. Like so. And then we can duplicate this and add it to the other side. Now we want to get it centered as best as we can, get it on roughly the same spot as the other side, if possible. Alright, so now we got our text on here. We can even add some text over here. Duplicate this again. Drag it on, oh, wrong one. Drag it on over. And then for this one, we're actually going to want to make this smaller. I think a 24 should do. Maybe a little bit bigger, 30. 36. Yep. And centering it again. There we go. And I will go ahead and get another image on here. Here, I'll look for a badge real quick. And this isn't gonna be a skin for any particular department. This is just an example for the video. So this is just really the first thing I find. I just didn't have one ready, so I'm gonna have to go and look for something. There we go, this should do, just for the example. So I'm gonna airdrop this. There we go. And to add another image, we're gonna go File, Open as a new layer. We are going to want to drag our image right there, open it, and it will open as a new layer. Where'd it go? It should be around here. And it's gonna be kind of dumb sometimes. Oh god. Oh god, no. Yep, this is a little bit too big, so you gotta make sure that your image is the correct size, or this is gonna happen. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna get rid of this one, but that's the idea. You just gotta make sure that it's small enough to fit correctly how you want it to. I think the one that I chose was a little bit too big, but that's the idea. You just go to File and open it as a layer. And so I think that should be it. Now we can unlock this and we can paint it to be the color that we want it to. I'm gonna make it white. We can use the biggest brush for this. Just go ahead and paint the whole thing. And this one's going to be all white, but as I said, you can also paint individual body panels. So now we're going to export it. We're going to save it on our desktop or whatever location you would like it to. I will save it on my desktop. And now we are going to upload it to ROBLOX. So we're going to go over on the Create tab. We're going to want to create a new decal. So go on Choose File. Look for the example livery. Upload that. Now what we're going to want to do is, once it is uploaded, we go over here, copy the numbers right here, the ID. And once we have that, we can come over here to our car. Look for the part where the color is, and you're going to want to highlight all these. Now we change the texture ID, and voila, there is our skin. As you can see, those are all the text we added, and if you added images, they would also show up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and watch some of the other videos, and thanks for watching.